This video reaches you at a moment when your heart is searching for comfort and your mind is full of questions. You may feel tired from daily struggles. You may feel pressure from work, family, or personal problems. But deep inside, there is a quiet sign telling you that Allah is close to you right now. That feeling is real. It is not random. It is mercy reaching your heart. Life can feel normal from outside, but heavy inside. You wake up, you work, you meet people, and you smile. Yet inside your chest, there is silence and worry. That silence means your soul wants peace. It means your heart wants connection with Allah. When you feel this, understand that Allah is guiding your attention back to Him. Think about the blessings around you. You are breathing without effort. You have awareness to reflect on your life. You feel regret when you make mistakes. You feel hope when you hear reminders. Many people lose this awareness. The fact that you feel something after watching this message shows your heart is still alive and connected. Maybe you made mistakes in the past. Maybe you delayed your prayers. Maybe you followed habits that pulled you away from good choices. Do not let guilt stop you. Guilt should push you to change, not freeze you in fear. Turn back to Allah with honesty. Speak to Him in simple words. Ask for forgiveness with full trust that He listens. Allah does not reject a servant who returns sincerely. One small step toward improvement opens doors you cannot see. You might not see instant results, but change begins in the unseen world. Your efforts today build strength for tomorrow. Your patience today removes heavy burdens from your future. If life tested you with loss, rejection, financial stress, relationship pain, or health problems, remember this. Tests are not signs that Allah forgot you. Tests are signs that Allah is shaping you. Every difficulty removes something harmful from your life and teaches you patience and faith. Trust the timing of Allah. What is delayed is not denied. Sometimes what you wanted was not good for you. Sometimes what was taken from you saved you from harm. When your plans fail, see it as protection. When doors close, wait for better doors to open. Keep your connection simple and consistent. Pray with focus. Read even a few verses of the Quran daily. Make dua in your own words. Talk to Allah about your fears, dreams, and weaknesses. Consistency matters more than perfection. Small actions done every day create strong faith over time. If this video reached you, maybe it reached you at the exact moment your heart needed guidance. Do not ignore that moment. Take action now. Make one sincere dua. Promise yourself one positive change. Protect your connection with Allah. Remember this truth. When guidance touches your heart, it is a gift. Respond with gratitude. Respond with effort. Respond with trust. If this message gave you hope or peace, support the channel. Like the video. Share it with someone who needs encouragement. Subscribe so reminders like this can reach you again at the right time. Stay close to Allah. Stay strong in faith.